Hi everyone, this is Richard here from Learn Implement Share, and I've got the wonderful Anja Mori. So just a little bit of background. So Anja is not only one of the key players in creating the international PD that we've got, but Anja is also the Maths Director at Wellington International in Shanghai. And so she is using this PD with her team. So not only does she know what's inside the PD intimately and has created some of it, she's using it with her team. And so I've got a question for Anja. How does this PD, or how does it help you to achieve your mission, which is to improve the standard of your teachers' teaching?
Well, we are all enrolled this year, and everyone started last month.
Yep.
And I gave them all the freedom that they can at their own pace each week or each month, however they want to. And of course, as a maths director, I'm walking around, and when I see an issue, this PD helps me that I don't have to be the big boss,
Right.
but we just address to one of the modules. For example, just today, we have a meeting and we are looking at the module number 2, which is about teachers letting go control, because I observed through my learning walks that many teachers are having issues with behavioral management, as we know that there is always an issue. And maybe they could be much happier if they approached their process of teaching or just general pedagogy differently.
So just on that control thing for people watching this, and it is this funny thing that in the classroom, and I was just way too controlling. And then I had a wake up moment one day and thought, who is this guy in this classroom is destroying my lessons? And it was me, this control freak. So there's a little story there, but also some practical things that people can follow. So this funny thing, we want control, and Anja and I want you to have control as well if you undertake this PD, but you have to lose that crazy addiction to have control in order to gain genuine control. And everyone's doing the best with what they know, but you're noticing teachers are being too controlling and then turning the students off and actually not having the control that they want. Is that correct?
Indeed, of course. Then they spend most of the time on reminding pupils, what are you doing with your pencil? You two stop chatting. Look at me. This is obsessive control.
And so you're finding it advantageous because rather than you telling the teachers, right, you need to change this control, you can direct them to module 2 and say, like, this is what we're working on. You ask leading questions and et cetera, et cetera.
Okay. We will check that module and I will initiate the discussion. So then we will discuss that table that is there, pros and cons. And then I hope that teachers will find themselves in that module.
Did you want to say anything else, Anja?
No, that's it.
All right. Thanks for watching. That's a quick message from Anja and I, and you'll see more coming in the future. Cheers.